The iPhone 17 is here, and while it's not a complete reinvention, it does represent a significant series of refinements from the camera to the battery to the performance and the display. So let's see what's new with the iPhone 17. The headline feature is the new center stage front camera. It uses a square sensor, allowing you to take high-resolution 18-megapixel photos and 4K video in either portrait or landscape orientation without rotating your phone. It's designed for a more natural grip and uses AI to automatically widen the frame for group shots. Around the back, the big change is that both the main camera and the ultra-wide camera are now 48 megapixels. This means the 2x telephoto, which is a crop from the main sensor, is now much higher quality. The new ultra-wide camera also captures significantly more detail for wide-angle and macro photography. Basically, the entire camera system has been upgraded. Now let's take a look at both the display and the design of the iPhone 17. The display has been upgraded to a larger 6.3-inch Super Retina XDR panel with ProMotion, meaning it can adapt to refresh rates up to 120 Hz for smoother scrolling and gameplay. The big news here is durability and visibility. And the new Ceramic Shield 2 front glass claims to have 3 times better scratch resistance. It also has a reduced glare and a massive 3000 nits of peak outdoor brightness. Powering everything is the new A19 chip. While we don't have independent benchmarks yet, Apple claims significant performance and efficiency gains over older chips. This efficiency, combined with iOS 26, is said to deliver all-day battery life with up to 30 hours of video playback. A new software feature in iOS 26 called Adaptive Power Mode will understand your usage patterns and intelligently conserve your battery power so that it lasts throughout the day. And when you do need a charge, it supports fast charging, so you'll get 50% in about 20 minutes with the compatible adapter. It's shipped with iOS 26, which brings Apple Intelligence features like live translations for text and audio in real time. So the big question is, who is the iPhone 17 for? Well, I have to say this is the most compelling base model iPhone in years. The camera upgrades, particularly the new front-facing camera, are genuinely useful. The brighter, more durable display is a welcome quality of life improvement, and the combination of the A19 chip and iOS 26 should deliver excellent performance and battery longevity. And while it may not have the flashy hardware of the Pro model, the iPhone 17 seems to refine the core experience in meaningful ways. So if you're upgrading from an iPhone 13, this is going to feel like a well-rounded and meaningful upgrade. So the big question is, who is the iPhone 17 for? Let me know what you think in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to like the video, subscribe to the Handy Andy YouTube channel, and I'll see you in the next video.